At the construction site of Ust-Yavinsky mine, the construction of pithead tunneling system for both shafts has been completed by the end of 2014. Shaft sinking is being carried out as per strict schedule of planned activities. Both shafts have been drilled down to the depth of 200 meters. At such depth, sinking is suspended. We should suspend work 20 meters from the salt contact zone and drill exploratory wells. We will drill them and continue further sinking down to 240 meters, where we will carry out grouting and further sinking. According to the project developed by employees of LLC Daumenhängen-Schachtdestroy, grouting of a temperature discontinuity zone should start at the first shaft after exploratory and grouting drilling. The whole process of grouting is divided into several steps. Preparatory step is to make a concrete mat in pre-drilled wells. This is a rather time-consuming process that can significantly delay the shaft sinking. This is the time required firstly to drill and to repeat the process. First we pre-drill a well, then we place the drill guide, and then we re-drill the same distance that has been already sunk. Depending on the rock's geological conditions, it is possible to drill quickly, if all goes well and there is no leak in, but it may also take 1, 2, or 3 days, or even more. As per the project, at the first shaft of Ust-Yavinsky mine, 8 wells were drilled down to a depth of 25 meters. Drilling was carried out in collaboration with Ural-Kali staff. During its implementation, the first layers of salt were found and rock samples were selected at the level of 242 meters. No obvious geological faults were found in the rock. The second step is filling of drilled wells with cement slurry. The solution is prepared straight at the construction site. It is based on a constantly stirring concentrated brine.
Предварительно перед тем, как всего стоит, то есть у нас тампонажный раствор на нулевой отметке.
At ground level, there are tanks filled with solution of certain concentration. Magnesium and magnesium chloride are added to the brine, mixed by a special pump, and transferred into the bucket. If you take a look behind us, you can see a transfer pump that transfers the solution into the bucket, and then it is lowered into the bottom hole. And here is the concrete pump used for grouting process.
Опускается на забой. С помощью вот этого, это уже непосредственно тампонажный сам насос, которым производится именно тампонаж.
Depending on the sequence of addition and concentration of solutions, cement slurry gets into concrete within 40 minutes. At the third step of grouting, when solution is poured into the well bore under pressure of 10 atmospheres, the well bore is overlapped and thereby proceeds to the next step. It is pumped until the pressure is set up and the absorption is reached. The pressure comes to normal, then it rises within 10, 20, 30 minutes. Then the pressure is released and grouting process is considered complete. Grouting makes no provision for any inflow of water or brine into the work area, which ensures complete waterproofing space and normal shaft sinking.